Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete credit card from PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the application. Or you can do as I did, go to the web and type paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal. And guys, then let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. We have send and request and a lot of different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete credit card from PayPal. First of all, what you need to do guys is go to your wallet. So basically on the top here, you have the home, send and wallet. As you can see, you just need to go and click on the option of wallet, of course, as I said. Now you have to, of course, you have a card here. At the moment, I don't have any, so when you go and link a card or bank, you will have them here. After that, you need to go and choose the card or bank that you just put here and just click remove. Note, you may not be able to remove a card if there is a pending transaction or if your card was used as a backup payment method for a recent payment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.